Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to log out of Likee app. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your Likee app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After clicking on that, if you look at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see three dots. Go ahead and click on the three dots, and then you get all these options right here. Click on settings. After that, what you just have to do from here is to scroll all the way down, and you're going to see the last option, which is logout. Click on logout and confirm that you want to log out, just like that, and you'll be logged out of Likee app. So guys, that's how to do it. Hope you now know how to log out of Likee app. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.